Hello, guys. This is Paul McMillan II. Welcome to another live New York session. And it is December 24th, 2025. And before we get started, let's check the news here. Today is a bank holiday for the NZD and the AUD. Let me double check to make sure there's not a bank holiday for today. I don't think they would. Okay, yeah, so it might be safe to trade today. Just had to double check GP and ask. So let's see, let's go ahead and get started here. We have some news at 8:30 on the former claim. So when we look at the daily candle, it's like it's consolidated. They closed bullish, but you can't really based on daily bias off of that. So let's go to the 4 hour and see if the 4 hours good. It looks like that we have consolidation here in the 4 hour. That's what it looks like. Let's go ahead and mark up our side, sell side liquidity, because we had a sweep here. And there's a sell side liquidity, buy side liquidity here. We want to mark up the most recent point of interest. Which really in reality is down here. It's too far from liquidity, so I'm not going to necessarily really want to look at this up. But it's like the liquidity being on both sides. Let's see, I probably will say there's a 4 hour fair value gap here, but let's see if we're going to get down out. So we got a 1 hour fair value gap here. We'll just go based off of that. We have some liquidity here. It looks like it's there's liquidity here and down here. Now it looks like we have a sweep. So let's mark up this 1 hour fair value gap. So we're going to be there. Now this is extending liquidity here. Extending liquidity here. We got to raise liquidity here. Turn around. Now it dropped down to the 15 minute. I want 15 minutes a little bit more than that. And here's what we want to do. Because we're overall bullish. It looks like it's currently bullish as well. We had a sweep here. Let's turn this on. So we had a sweep here. Then we finally had a fair value that close here. But what I would like to do is, I would like to see a sweep on this fair value gap at 15 minutes. Manipulation of this fair value gap. or validation of the fair value gap. Because it looks like we're currently bullish, and it looks like it's starting to get that way. But we do have an order block here, so the order block is going to have to be validated. We have a lot of fair value gaps here as well. So a lot of this is going to have to really be validated before we consider taking it up to this liquidity here. If this gets invalidated, and they're really trying to sell, then we will want to see this invalidated, and then also see this top big close below as well. So volume doesn't necessarily get it started to drop. But what I want to do is, when it comes to now, let's drop down to the 5 minute. See if the 5 minute is actually giving us a little bit more answers to the story, so to speak. So it looks like that we are still bullish. We got an order block here. And it broke above this top here. So we probably might want to wait for a sweep at this 15-minute fair value gap and then take it up to this liquidity. So yeah. That's what we're going to wait for. So, this was manipulated. Well, we need to see a sweep here. You see a liquidity we sweep this fair value gap here. Now, if we do that, then I'm going to make this liquidity here to be there. Selling, let's say close below this chops, and it's getting validated. I will probably don't really look. So we have 741. So we have broken over 15 minutes for volume to start to pump in, and that's when we can really start watching price action and seeing what it really has to do. Currently, we are bearish on the 15-minute down. If we could say the same 15-minute, we're currently bearish. Price might do a temporarily bearish, bullish move, but you had a sweep here. So I wouldn't be surprised if it goes to a set. But we're actually currently bearish. I did say currently bullish, but we were currently bearish. I'm gonna adjust to that bias. So we'll wait until 8 o'clock. See what price decides to do. Then we'll pause this recording, and I will be right back. All right, so some volumes start to come in soon. We're now in 820. Now this might be a sweep here. There's still not that much volume kicking in yet. This might be a slight sweep here. This will overall currently bearish. Price might, I'm sorry, overall bearish. Price might shoot all the way up to here. But we also had a sweep here. So price might invalidate this fair value gap, this bullish fair value gap as well. Since we are overall bearish, we're really currently bearish. So I want to wait and see what the next candle does, which is the 8:15 close. So if we start getting some volume, then I'll probably take it down to here at the very most. So we have about a little bit over 13 seconds. I will be right back. We have, looks like we might have a liquidity with on this bullish fair value gap. So this might be a sign that they're ready to go up to at least to this liquidity here. But they haven't worked out liquidity yet. They build up around here, but they haven't done all this yet. So that might be a sign, and we'll see. They're going to go ahead and pause this report. We'll see at 8:15. We're getting some good volume, so I'm going to go ahead and execute the trade. Look where the project is. So I went ahead and put in the sell for Project X. So we'll wait and see what 8:15 does. I will be right back. So we have a little bit of 20, we have about less than 20 seconds left. We'll see if we close some money. We're on, move on. See, three, so, 3, 2, 1. They did pose some volume, but it might pull back some. But I'm just gonna hold it, just wait for the TP. So the price hasn't turned around and it starts dropping, then I was in the support. Then I'll sit at my top one feature screen, it wouldn't pop it. I will be right back. Now, price is starting to drop, but I forgot to note that we do have news at 8:30. Forgot about that. See what happens, folks. We'll see. So we have a little bit over 10 minutes before Tuesday. So you'll see. I will be right back. We might be getting close to one of my TPs. Let me switch to top one futures platform here. See. Close. Oh, price is really dropping here. So I'm gonna give it until about a minute, and once news hit, I'm gonna try to close the trade. It's in the green. Where the account is in the green, but it's close to $100 in profit, but I want at least 200 if I can. Let's see. This news doesn't mess this up. We'll pause this recording. I'll be right back. So I slapped in the break even, so that way for some reason price go against us, then at least we save the capital. Once we get 20 seconds in, I'm gonna see where we're at, and then I'll decide to close the trade, or we'll see. Just give me a couple minutes here. At about 30 seconds, we're back in the deficit again. Hopefully this news doesn't mess us up. Probably should have closed it at 100,100. Or at least been $100 profit. There it goes. 2-1. It's not too volatile, but let's see. This thing is trying to get that. I'll go ahead and pause this recording. We'll see if it turns around. It's ridiculous. My break even stop loss got hit. I'm gonna try to wait for it to set. This looks like an liquidity right here. We get a fair value that close over this, pushes up, then I might be able to take it up to where that might be where they're ready to go. They might just trying to take the liquidity there, which I should have just exited out of here. It's like price is dropping when you look at my account. Let's see if we can get everything back. Okay, you got a sweep here. Let's see if we can get it back up. Hopefully. Don't draw off. Resume this recording. I will be right back. Probably should have waited till after 10 to 10 to 15 back. What do this Kevin does? When will be mine? Three, 2, 1. Not a lot of that closing. Just reporting, then I see what price does. If this closer to down here, then I probably will think. So I will be right back. We might be getting somewhere. So I'm just going to operate this from the phone. So hit my TP. Let me log into my Top Rank Futures account. At $100,152. So we are in the green and up in profit of $152. So that's good. So we made $387.66. So let me go ahead and document this, then I'll end this session. I'll be right back. All right, so I documented my results, so that's it for the session we won. So you did a good job. We're ready for the reset. We got a liquidity sweep here. And then a fair value got closed and it dropped it hit our hit our second TP. So we did good. So we just have to keep on working on this strategy. So that's it for this session, guys. I will be right back.